I have a bad head. No, that sounds a bit strange. Try this instead. I have a headache. Much better. Simple, clear, and natural. Today, we are going to make your next trip to the pharmacy easy. You will learn 3 things. First, 5 simple phrases to explain any pain. Second, how to ask for the price without feeling nervous. And third, how to understand exactly when to take your medicine. Many English learners feel scared at the pharmacy. You might feel like everyone is watching you. You feel like everyone is listening to your mistakes. In psychology, we call this the spotlight effect. Imagine a big light shining only on you on a stage. But here's a secret. Most people are thinking about their own problems. The pharmacist just wants to help you feel better. They are not judging your grammar. You are safe. Let's practice our first essential phrase. I have a headache. I have a headache. Rahul is a student from India. He is in London. One morning he wakes up. His head hurts. He feels hot. He goes to the pharmacy. He sees a long line of people. He feels the spotlight effect. He thinks, everyone is looking at me. He walks to the counter. He says, I have a headache and a fever. The pharmacist smiles. She says, no problem. Try this paracetamol. Rahul feels happy. It was so simple. Let's practice what Rahul said. I have a fever. I have a fever. When you learn English, you want to stay in the Goldilocks zone. This means your English should not be too hard and not too easy. It should be just right. Don't try to learn medical words like ibuprofen or inflammation yet. Just use medicine and pain. Keep it simple. Keep it in the zone. Sometimes we don't know the exact name of the illness. That is okay. You can use your hands to show where it hurts. You can say, it hurts here, or I feel sick. In the UK, people might say, I feel poorly. In the US, people often say, I feel under the weather. But for you, I feel sick is perfect. It is clear, it is simple. Let's practice a very useful phrase for when you are unsure. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? Here are your 5 tools. 1. I have a symptom. 2. Do you have medicine for this? 3. How many times a day? 4. How much is this? 5. Thank you for your help. Let's practice asking for help. Do you have medicine for this? Do you have medicine for this? Maria is from Brazil. She is on vacation in New York. She has a cough. She goes to a big pharmacy. She shows the pharmacist her throat. She says, I have a bad cough. Do you have medicine for this? The pharmacist gives her a bottle of syrup. Maria asks, how much is this? The pharmacist says, $10. Maria pays and leaves. She didn't need a big dictionary. She only needed 5 words. Let's practice Maria's question. How much is this? How much is this? When you get your medicine, look at the label. You might see twice a day. This means morning and night. You might see with food. This means eat a snack before you take the pill. If you are confused, just ask, when do I take this? Let's practice the final question. When do I take this? When do I take this? Today, you learned to fight the spotlight effect. You learned to stay in the Goldilocks zone by using simple words. You learned how Raul and Maria succeeded. Your small step for today is this. Open your Notes app. Write down these 5 phrases. Read them out loud 1 time before you sleep. Now that you know how to buy medicine, you might want to know how to talk to a doctor about your health history. Click the next video to learn how to describe your past illnesses in English.